guys, this is what you are going to be expecting for the day on our CADJPY. So first thing first, those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our CADJPY. So remember, first thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. Now, what can you say the trend is on our CADJPY? Overall trend, let's zoom it out. This is the overall movement of CADJPY, and definitely we are in an uptrend move. The overall movement of CADJPY is an uptrend move. Market is all moving to the upside. Now, guys, let's zoom it in also. Markets rallied up to form an impulsive move, which is our high. Then a corrective move was made, formed an higher low. Market was able to rally up again to form a new higher high that took out this previous high right here. Then here is a pullback phase, the corrective phase, which is an higher low, right? So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up to give us a new higher high. So this is to tell you that our next movement on CADJPY is going to be a bullish move. So if you are in the buy, right, holding on your buy. But if you are not yet in the buy, to be best you still look to go for the buy, because when you take a look at this, market is about to change from here and push up. Now let's run that to the forward time frame. So this is it right here. This is a multiple rejection zone. Market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, right? Markets came here, bounced up, right? Came here multiple times, rejected, bounced up. Now it has come back to retest it. So we should expect what market to reject and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys to know. So make sure you subscribe, share, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.